Hey everyone, here is a video for the classification of living things discussion. For this one, you have 15 questions to answer on paper. So for this discussion, you will, in your own words, please, not something that you Googled, answer some questions about classifying living things. You may answer in the reply part of the discussion on a Google Doc, on Google Slides that you share with me, or in a video. It is up to you. You'll be able to click and read this video that I am showing to you, and I'll also give you a hint on number one. So, number one, what are four things scientists think about when placing living things into the six kingdoms? Number two, how do we classify living things in the 1700s, a long time ago? How did we classify living things? Number three, what are three ways that we classify living things today using modern technology? Number four, true or false? We have to reclassify some organisms based on modern technology. Number five, what is the study of classifying and naming organisms? Number six, true or false? Taxonomy has changed over time. Number seven, how many domains of living things do we have? Number eight, what are the domains of living things? Number nine, how many kingdoms of living things do we have? Number 10, what are the kingdoms of living things? Number 11, which two groups are used for an organism's scientific name? And number 12, the system we use for naming is called blank nomenclature. Number 13, who created our system for naming organisms? Number 14, based on their scientific names, which of the following pairs is most closely related? Acer rubrum and Acer sacrum, or Acer rubrum and Chenopodium rubrum? You decide. Number 15, how did you know the answer to number 14? Need help? You can use the notes in the optional or supplemental learning opportunities. So if you go here, you can actually see my notes on Google Slides. You can also see a written version of my notes, but I wanted to give you a hint on one of these questions. So if you were going back to question number one, I promised a hint. What are the four things scientists think about when placing living things into the six kingdoms? Well, let's look through the notes and find out. If we go through the notes, that doesn't have it. Those are all about names, 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 names. Names, classification in general, taxonomy, and we're getting there. Let's see. What are some ways that we put the different organisms into the kingdoms? Well, that's about domains. That's domains and domains. And that's just a question. But, ooh, look, how do scientists classify organisms into the six kingdoms? You were asked to tell four ways that scientists classify organisms into the six kingdoms. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4 bullet points there. Hint, hint. Those might be your answers to number one. Thanks for listening, and please email me if you have any questions or any trouble with this discussion. Have a great day.